Hello. This is the Queen of Credit, and I want to give you this brief overview, this quick video to show you how to log in to check your Experian results or to just check if your accounts are in dispute, right? If your accounts are in dispute. So let me bring this down. So I'm already into my Experian account. The most important tabs are the overview, reports and scores, your bell for your notification, next to your profile tab, right? So as you can see, as the date of this recording, which is April 21st, 2020, my credit score is a FICO 746, right? So I was in the 800s, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay taking a dip because my credit usage increased by 31%. And I'm going to explain to you how I used all of this credit, all of this debt to make investments, right? You've been following me for any amount of time. You know that I've recently invested in a condo, right? So I use half cash, partial credit. So that's why the credit score decreased. So let's go to your bell notification and explain that. I have a lot of credit alerts, right? A total of 408. My recent alert, April 4th, my credit score increased by 4 points. You can see here, March 21st, my credit score decreased by 28 points. I know most people would be distraught about that, but only if I purchase liabilities and not assets would I be. Because this is what I did, and this is what caused the decrease. My Chase mortgage card, my balance significantly increased to 97.85% on March 21st. My credit limit was raised to $10,000. So I had an opportunity to get that $10,000 at 0% interest and able to liquidate it into cash. So what does liquidate it into cash means? Simple terms, I wrote a check to myself from my Chase card account, deposited into my checking account, and is now cash, right? Now cash accessible. So, and I use that cash to invest in coins and crypto, right? No liabilities, assets only, because at 0% interest, I can get a greater rate of return on that by investing it in those two vehicles. You can see also on March 14, I received a credit score increase of 15 points, and March 14 just letting me know that my dispute results are ready. Right, inquiry disputes were deleted off of my credit reports. So it's some more inquiries as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is my HELOC, a balance decrease in it. So 5. How many total inquiries is showing? They were all disputed from the month of March. Right, so 8 inquiries. So this is when I was doing things with my credit to invest, right? Not looking for a new vehicle or something like that. So when you want to check if your accounts are in dispute, this is what you do. Go to reports and scores, click on credit reports, right? So again, you can see that it's showing my credit usage has increased. My credit card debt has increased as well, and I told you what I did with that. And my loan debt, half of that, and half credit and half cash for my condo, right? So this is my total debt, right? So a lot of people are concerned about their credit scores, but you need to be concerned also about your credit profile, and I'm going to break this down to you as well. You see my open accounts. All of that is good payment history. This is your credit profile. You can see I have no vehicle debt. All of my vehicles are paid for in full. Only maintenance and upkeep. 0 student loan debt. So these are things that make up your credit profile, right? So don't be so celebratory about a score. Just have a good profile. So this is when my credit score dropped, right? Because I took out PenFed, gave me this loan, and at $25,000 that I used to get a greater return on my investment. You'll also see I only have 3 inquiries. One of these inquiries filed off this year, October the 24th, right? And so I decided to keep these other two on there, not to dispute them. I have open accounts, lines of business credit, so I don't want to possibly have those closed. They fall off next year, this time next year, so no problem, no worries there. So you want your inquiries, people, to be 5 or less for each credit, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax across the board. And that's just if you want to get approved for business funding or personal funding, right? So you see I have no public records, right? No public records showing. So this is getting to my personal information. So let me move the box over for confidentiality purposes. So you won't see that. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm good. So this is where you want to go. View Dispute Center. This is going to show you what accounts you have into disputes, if they are currently in dispute, especially if you're working with me for credit consultation. So you'll select on that box, or you'll click on that box, Dispute Center. I would open this up, but you can view any recent disputes here, but it will show my account numbers and information. So for confidentiality, I won't click on here, but this is what you can do with your own personal report. And you go to Start New Dispute. Now, I will show you, but it will reveal my addresses here, that I only have one name report and one address. A big deal when having over 700 credit score, right? Now, because I have no negatives showing on my report, nothing is showing here. But if you have any negative accounts showing on your report, it will show on this left side in this section, right? And by the account name, it will have dispute. Or if you sign up with me for credit consultation, it will let you know what accounts have are under dispute. So it's either going to have dispute or under dispute. My rule of thumb is I always tell my clients, once your affidavit has been mailed, certified mail, allow at least 3 to 5 business days, right, to arrive to Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. And so on that green card, you will see the numbers on the left tab in which you can put the numbers in at USPS.com, United States Postal Services. Once you entry or input those tracking numbers, it will let you know if it's arrived or is on arrival, right? After you giving it 3 to 5 days to arrive, allow an additional 5 to 7 days to go into dispute. So that's about 10 business days, right? So once you check, you can log on here, and accounts that's under dispute, it will let you know they're under dispute, right? So that's how you know and get quicker updates online through Experian of what is going on with your credit reports. You can check this every day. You can check it every week, right? You can check it every hour, whatever it is, that's your discrepancy. But this is how you know what accounts are in disputes. You'll see what accounts have been deleted, what accounts have been updated, etc., etc. Then you send me an email or just a screenshot of if everything was not deleted the first round, if it was not updated the first round, whatever your results that we wanted to achieve. So this is how you check that report. It's the queen of credit. This is to your credit and cash flow, your peace and prosperity, and to your health and your wealth.